All right, let's unbox something for all you remote workers. This just arrived. Looks promising for virtual meetings. Check out the packaging. Super clean and modern design. Okay, opening it up now. What's inside? Here's the main dashboard on my laptop screen. First impression, bright colors, playful icons, easy navigation. Let's dive in. Setting up takes less than 2 minutes. I'm adding my team to a test meeting right now. Look at these interactive tools, polls, quizzes, and games. I'm launching a quick poll. Everyone's already responding. The reactions are instant, way more lively than usual. Now let's try the icebreaker game feature. People are laughing and chatting, so much energy. The interface is intuitive, no learning curve at all. Switching to the Engagement Analytics tab. Wow, it tracks participation and shows real-time stats. I can see who's most active and who's zoning out. Adding fun backgrounds is just a click away. I'm customizing my meeting room. Looks awesome. Trying the emoji reactions, everyone loves them. Breakout rooms are seamless, just drag and drop. Let's check out the Q&A feature now. Questions pop up instantly, no awkward silences. Honestly, this is way more engaging than Zoom. I can see my team actually paying attention. No more blank stares or silent screens. For educators, these tools make lessons interactive. Business pros, you'll love the productivity boost. Remote teams, this keeps everyone connected and involved. The app runs smoothly, no lags or crashes so far. Security features are solid, end-to-end encryption. You can control who joins and what they access. Integrates with Google Calendar and Slack easily. No extra downloads needed. Works in your browser. Pricing is fair, especially with the AppSumo deal. Support team responds fast, big plus for me. If you want boring meetings, skip this app. But if you crave fun, engagement, and results, try it. I genuinely recommend this for any online team. Ready to boost your virtual meetings? Check out the link below and grab your deal. Let's make every meeting something to look forward to.